why is 0.999 and 9's repeating infinitely equal to 1? Can you prove this? Well, in this video you will understand why, and this will help you understand math better, and this will build towards understanding AI research as well. At first it seems like as we add more 9's, it will get closer to 1, but it will never be equal to 1. The first way to prove this is very simple. You say, what is 1 divided by 3? So we can say it's 1/3, or we can say 0.333, and this is repeating forever. So if we multiply both of these sides with 3, we get that the left side is equal to 1/3 times 3 is 1, and the right side is equal to 0.999, etc. This is the first proof that I will show you of this equality. Let's check the second proof. Let's say that 0.999, etc. is equal to something. So let's see what this is equal to. So we can multiply both sides with 10. So we get 10x is equal to 9.999, etc. And now we have these two equations. Let's see what happens if we subtract them. So we subtract left side, so 10x minus 1x is equal to 9x. And here we subtract this minus this, we just get 9. So if we divide both sides by 9, we get x is equal to 1. So that's how we get that this equals 1. Let's see the third proof. Let's ask, is there any number between 0.999, etc. and 1? So we're gonna subtract 1 minus 0.999 to see what this is equal to. And here we will use a bit of logic. So if you subtract this first from 1, then the result is 0.1. If you subtract 0.99 from 1, the result is 0.01. And so the more 9's you add, the more this 1 at the end gets pushed further. But you actually have infinite 9's. So the 1 will never come at the end, because there is no end. So we don't have the 1 at the end because there is no end. So the difference between these two numbers is 0, which means they are equal. So we cannot squeeze any number, even the tiniest number, between these two values, so they are equal. Those will be 3 proofs. You can check other videos on my channel to learn math, to learn AI research, and see you in the next video. Also join my school to become AI researcher. We have all of these videos and lessons, link below.